All right. Got an interesting drink today.
Yes. Monday came out with a Mezcal. It's pretty special. They have a gin and they also have a whiskey. So now they've got Mezcal to add to their line. And this bottle is pretty much just like the other bottles. It's got the nice Art Deco design going on. And it is 750 milliliters for this bottle. Was not particularly cheap, but they gave me a discount code, so we're going to try it.
Now the difference between Mezcal and tequila is that Mezcal is a lot more of an artisanal. They roast the heart of the agave plant, and that's why it's supposed to be smoky. So,
all right, let's try this. Straight. Whoa.
the nose, I just
That's
the
pepper.
nose. Yeah, people on the reviews said that it was a bit too spicy. So when I smelling it, it really made my
I'm
nose.
going to cut mine down with a little bit of soda water. That's intense.
Wow. Okay, I can handle some heat, but that is pretty darn spicy. That's.
Oh yeah, I don't need to add any jalapeno syrup to this. Woo! All right, let's see if I can taste anything else. I get a little agave. Not much. That spice is overpowering.
Yeah, it's pretty intense. Can I try a little bit of the?
Yeah, soda water. That helps.
So the nose opens with florals, fruit, and agave nectar, met by campfire smoke and pepper. But I'm just getting pepper.
I get campfire.
Yeah.
I get a little bit of smoke. It comes in at the very end. I just took a really tiny sip,
Okay.
and that was intense. Oh my god!
But
Right
like
up your
the little
nose.
nose, yeah, it goes.
All right. Well,
Wow.
let me mix it up with some grapefruit juice and see if that helps. I put a little bit of lime zest in here, so hopefully Donovan survives this
intense.
experiment. All right, grapefruit, honey. This will also help. Put honey syrup in here. Now we'll add the mezcal. They said 2 ounces for this recipe, but I'm going to do an ounce and a half.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to do 2 ounces for the both of us, and if we need more, we'll add a little bit more. I feel like that's going to be a lot. We'll see. All right, well, what else about
If you like
Monday?
pepper.
You like pepper.
I do like pepper. I don't know that this would be good for normal mortals. Like, it's really intense. I think this is pretty funny. One of the reviews said, I seriously think I could serve this to an avid drinker and they wouldn't know it's booze. I don't know about that. I beg to differ.
All right, well, let's try it. I did rim this with a little bit of tagine, so hopefully that doesn't blow us out of the water either.
Whoa.
Oh, that mellowed it way out.
Yeah.
I'm going to add this back in.
Okay.
Just a little bit. And the soda. Oh, yeah, you can add soda water to it as well. Oh, I like that with the soda water. I'm going to add a little bit more. Make it more fizzy.
Yeah, so fresh citrus and apple on the palate give way to earthy roasted agave, prominent smoke, and well-rounded heat.
I really taste the smoke now.
The heat's gone away.
Can add more. I was being real sensitive
Cautious.
there. Yeah, real cautious there. I mean, I feel the heat still. Like, I can taste it on the back of my tongue real, like it comes in at the end. And it's smoky, and I like it. It's definitely a different flavor than Ritual, which has been our standard go-to for tequila for a really long time. But I like it.
Would you put it up against Ritual? I mean, Ritual's nowhere near this hot.
Yeah, I mean, it's different. I know what I might do. I might mix the two of them. See what happens. But as a Paloma, this is really good. I like
You
it.
could have used this in the spicy jalapeno margarita.
Yeah, I think if you wanted to not have as much jalapeno, you could just have that as a garnish because this has plenty of spice to it.
Try that little bit of extra.
Okay, he wants a little bit more.
Just to see, because...
It's like wasabi, you just keep adding it. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that. I do like heat a lot, and this is much more tolerable. It's not going to be a drink that you're going to guzzle.
No.
By any means. That's
what I like about the margaritas, is that you sip it, you don't just drink it real quickly.
Yeah, now I'm definitely getting that heat.
Yeah. Well, I think you put in the right amount.
Yeah.
I put in half of what the recipe called for, and it's perfect for me. So it just depends on your level of spice, what you can stand.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a wimp, but I love that grapefruit juice in there, and that honey syrup.
Yeah.
You know, you can also make it with a rosemary simple syrup. That'll give a nice... That's like a more traditional syrup you would use for Paloma. But I didn't have time to make it. Maybe next time.
So this has 0 carbs, no sugar. It's vegan, keto, gluten-free, paleo.
Yeah,
the whole shebang.
If it had sugar in there, that might help with the spice. But you know, I think it's better to just add what you want to it.
Well, it's definitely in a class of its own, like separated out because of that heat, I think. Like,
it's warming me up real good.
I think this is probably the spiciest drink we've tried.
I mean, I've made myself a spicy drink by adding a really intense hot honey syrup to my drink. But on its own, a spirit this spicy, yeah. They took it to the next level for sure.
Yeah.
I got it direct from their website because I had a coupon. And so it just came out like a week and a half ago.
And I didn't see it on Boisson. So.
Yeah, it's not on there yet. Eventually you'll see it on Better Roads or Boisson, and you'll be able to see it maybe in stores too.
And you'll get that endorphin rush from the heat that people love to get from eating hot pepper.
I feel like it's building. I feel like it's getting spicier the more I drink it. Let me read the back of this bottle because I like the little blurbs that they put on the backs of their bottle. A cultural shift is underway, a mindset towards self-care, staying sharp, and living life without compromise. A movement that refuses to choose between good health and great taste, whether you don't drink alcohol or just sober curious. Monday is here to help you cheers with delicious drinks. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Thank you.